Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On my left, we have the Roomba Q7 Max Plus, a vacuum so powerful it could probably suck up your mother-in-law's complaints. And on my right, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, a vacuum and mop combo that claims it can clean up after your pet's mess and your life's poor decisions. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the price. The Q7 Max Plus comes in at a whopping $869. For that price, you'd think it would come with a butler named Jeeves. But nope, just a vacuum. Meanwhile, the Combo i5 Plus is a more budget-friendly $549. With that extra $320, you could buy a lot of things, like therapy sessions, to cope with the chaos this vacuum will clean up. Alright, let's talk suction. The Q7 Max Plus boasts a beastly 4,200 pascals suction power. It's like having a mini black hole in your living room. Pet hair, debris, your kids' Lego pieces, nothing stands a chance. It even goes into super suction mode when it detects a carpet. It's like it has a sixth sense for dirt. Now, the Combo i5 Plus isn't slacking either. It features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes. These bad boys adjust to different floor types and, get this, they don't get tangled with pet hair. So if you've got a golden retriever that sheds like it's their full-time job, this might be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk about their self-emptying capabilities. The Q7 Max Plus can hold up to 7 weeks of debris. That's right, 7 weeks. You could probably forget you even own a vacuum. Meanwhile, the Combo i5 Plus holds up to 60 days of debris. That's 2 whole months. You could go on a long vacation and come back to a clean house. It's like having a magical cleaning elf. Speaking of magic, the Combo i5 Plus is a vacuum and mop combo. With a simple switch of a bin, it goes from sucking up dirt to mopping your floors. It even has a specialized microfiber pad for tackling footprints, dirt, and dust. Basically, it's like getting 2 appliances in one. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal. Not to be outdone, the Q7 Max Plus can vacuum and mop simultaneously. It's got an electronic pump and offers 30 water flow levels. That's right, 30, so you can fine-tune your cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Let's talk navigation. The Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation. It creates precise maps of your home and can even be viewed in 3D. You can add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. Who needs reality when you've got a virtual home in your vacuum app? On the other hand, the Combo i5 Plus learns your home and creates an imprint smart map. You can tell it to clean any room you want, anytime you want. It even has dirt detect technology to focus on dirtier areas. It's like having a robot butler with a PhD in dirt detection. Reviewers have a lot to say about these 2 robot vacuums. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, accurate mapping, and efficient cleaning capabilities. However, some users mention that it is on the pricey side and has a small dustbin capacity. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus receives mixed reviews. While some users love its ability to clean pet messes and appreciate its self-emptying feature, others find the mapping capabilities lacking and the software difficult to use in larger or more complex floor plans. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. That's it for today's Showdown. Let us know in the comments which robot vacuum you think is the winner. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and keep your floors cleaner than your conscience. Product links are in the description.